Guys, welcome to Basic Math. Today it's episode 19. Okay, today I will talk about circle. So what is a circle? A circle is a set of points at same distance of a center. So here we go. Here is a center, and we've got a set of points at the same distance. This distance is called the radius. But how can we compute this distance? Okay, let's use a x-axis and a y-axis. If we've got a point here, thanks to Pythagoras, we can say this triangle is a right angle triangle. So we've got OM to the square equals ON to the square plus NM to the square. Here we go. This point has got x, y coordinates. So this length is x, so that's x to the square, and this length is y, so that's y to the square. Okay, so we've got an equation. This circle is a set of points that x to the square plus y to the square equals radius to the square. We got it. Okay, so we can compute the perimeter. The perimeter is 2 times pi times the radius, and the area is pi times the radius to the square. Okay, so now we've got this. Okay, that's good. So what I want to talk today is about probability. Look at this target. That's a big circle. The radius is 1, and orange circle, the radius is 0.8, so that's 8 over 10, and blue circle is radius is 0.6, so that's 6 to the 10 over 10, and the pink circle is radius is 0.4, so that's 4 over 10, and the green circle is radius is 0.2, so that's 2 over 10. So let's, for example, suppose that we throw arrows, and each time we throw arrows we get the target, okay? But what's the probability to get the green target? So we can do this like this. We compute the area of the green circle over the area of the black circle. So here we go. We know how to compute the area of the green circle. It's pi times the radius of the green circle. We said that's 2 over 10 to the square over the radius of the white circle, and the white circle is 1, so that's easy to compute that. We can simplify by pi, so indeed we don't need pi to make this calculus, and since we divide by 1, we don't need this fraction anymore, so we can just say that's 4 over 100, so that's 4%. The probability to get the green circle is 4%. Okay, that was an example of geometric probability. Let's assume we have a coin, and we know that we can have head and tail with same probability. Probability to have head is 1 over 2, the same as probability to have tail. Okay, so what's the rule? The rule is you have to count what are the possibilities, all the issue, and you count the event you want to compute the probability, count the good cases, and you divide by the total cases. That's it. So let's assume we have a dice, but when you get 1, the probability is x. When you get 2, the probability is 2 times x. When you get 3, the probability is 3 times x, and so on. So when you get 6, the probability is 6 times x. What's this x? We know that when you throw a dice, you cannot have another case than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. So if you make the probability to get 1 plus probability to get 2 plus and so on probability to get 6, you have a certain probability which is 1. So you can say you've got x plus 2 times x plus 3 times x plus 4 times x plus 5 times x plus 6 times x equals 1. So we've got a factor. We can factorize by x. We can say that's x factor 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 equals 1. So we just have to know how much is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. We can compute like this. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. Okay, we get it. So that's x times 21 equals 1. That means x equals 1 over 21. So we can make the table of the law of probability, which is number of the phase, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the probability. We've got 1 over 21, 2 over 21, 3 over 21, 4 over 21, 5 over 21, and 6 over 21. Okay, that's it for today. See you tomorrow for more videos.